Hey, welcome everybody. Today we'll be unboxing the Vantrue N2 PRO. This one was available on Amazon and it was pretty great to pick up, especially with the specs. It's actually able to record in 4K as well as 1080p, dual camera as well, one for the cabin and one for the dash cam for the front of the vehicle. So let's get started here and take it out of the box. Looks like there's a quick guide here with some possibly coupons or some applications. And then looks like this is another manual. It just goes over how to connect and play with the settings and all that. And then in here, looks like this is the camera itself. Let's take that out. Pretty cool. The screen is pretty nice. Looks like it might be a nice size. And then this is the camera for inside the vehicle, and then this is for the front, and then these are probably sensors, and then the buttons are at the bottom here, so it makes it easier to press the buttons if it's from the top. And then here just a USB, and then probably this is looks like this is the reset. But let's see what else is in the box. Oh, looks like there's just a piece of paper that fell. And then here is the suction mount. It's pretty good size. It's not bulky or anything, so that'll be nice. And then here is the USB cable. And then this one is probably the car charger. Yeah. Oh, it looks like yeah, you can have another USB plugged in here while I have this plugged into the car charger. But yeah, we'll go ahead and see if we can power this thing on. Please insert SD card. Okay, so it looks like it's actually showing us both cameras right now. Seems pretty cool. And then the buttons are down there, and then it shows us on the screen. So let's get a SD card plugged in and see. Alrighty, so we have the SD card with us. Let's see where that's gonna be located. Looks like it should be right here somewhere. Oops. So you gotta use something to open this out. And here, let's see if we can use this piece of plastic. There we go. Yep, so the SD card will probably be in here. I'm not sure if you guys can see this. Let's go ahead and insert. Oh, it won't go that way. So. And then the mini HDMI. Oh, it turned off. Why did it turn off? Let's turn it back on. Please insert SD card. I already did that. Please format card. Okay, so now we get to format it. Cool. So how do we get there? System setup. How do we press OK? Oh, there is a button for OK. Cool. And then here we go. Format. All data will be deleted, which is OK for a brand new SD card. So now looks like it should be working. And now we press OK. Now it's recording us right now. So hi. And then here's the front. And we'll say OK, and it looks like that saved it. And then so let's go in the settings, system setup, OK. Format, time and date, we can set that later. So LCD screen off, possibly we'll change that maybe another time. Device sound, maybe frequency, default settings. Okay, let's see what else we have available. Press the wrong thing. Resolution, let's see what's here. 1080 by 1080. So if you want to do 1440p, you will have to disable the back camera, I believe. So loop recording, let's do 5 minutes. G sensor, we'll leave it on medium. Audio recording, we'll do on. Parking mode on. Exposure, we don't want to play with that. Number plate, what's that? Stamp, that's fine. Time lapse, power off delay, rotate display. Maybe a power off delay, we can adjust that. Okay, it's already on. So that's recording, files. Let's see what's inside files. Did that. So it looks like you can browse here for your files, but we don't have any yet. We don't have GPS either. So that's pretty much it. So just need to set the date and time and any other preferences, and we'll get this hooked up in the car and test it out.